Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'll provide you an update regarding Ocean Protocol price analysis, and in about the last 2 minutes of this video I'll also discuss about Bitcoin status, because as you well know, Bitcoin has an influence on all crypto space. If you guys like the content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It helps a lot this channel to grow and it helps in YouTube algorithm. You can give this video a thumbs up and you can leave a comment into the comment section down below. Okay, so let's get started. Today it is 13 May 2024 and right now Ocean Protocol, it is at about 0.89 US dollars. The market cap, it is around 507.9 million US dollars, and the volume in the last 24 hours it is around 27.3 million US dollars. The market cap and volumes are a little bit low compared with Fetch.ai and Agix, but this token has a lot of potential from my point of view, and I'll tell you why in the next minutes. And what exactly Ocean Protocol does? A simple summary: Ocean Protocol connects data providers and data consumers in a blockchain-based marketplace. Its innovative model relies on tokenizing datasets and data services so that data providers can easily and efficiently monetize their data, and consumers have access to an ecosystem of valuable data in one convenient place. Data providers create ERC20 tokens called data tokens that provide access to data that can be purchased with Ocean tokens, Ocean Protocol's medium of exchange that it is also used to provide staking rewards. And right now let's go to the trading view and discuss about this purpose of this video. It is to analyze the price, and we have here on a trading view Ocean Protocol paired with USD at 1 day, and the chart it is from crypto. And as you can see here on the chart, we had one big pump from the beginning of February this year to this recent top that was on 27 or 28 March. We have an increase of 329% in just 51 days. Okay, that is impressive in such a short period of time. And as you can see here, I prepared the 20 and the 200 daily simple moving averages. Right now the price, it is testing the 20 daily SMA from below, so it behaves as a resistance for now. The 20 daily SMA, it is 0.91, and the actual price, it is 0.89. And if this level will fall, I believe that we have supports around 0.83. Another important support, it will be somewhere at around 0.77 here on daily. And if all those levels will fall, I believe the 200 daily simple moving average, it will be an important support. Right now it is at about 0.69, almost 0.70. If we look back and see why this 200 daily simple moving average, it came more and more closer to this level at the beginning of this year in January and February. You can see here that we have those wicks that came very close to 200 daily simple moving average, and the price stayed above this level since the last fall of 2023, since more exactly 28 October, and that's why I consider right now an important level of support. What I found interesting, it is that if we look on a 50 daily simple moving average, you can see that we have a rejection from this level almost twice. Here almost tested this level on 24 April, and here on 7 and 6 May, and we have a rejection on both of them. So if this 50 daily SMA that is right now at 1.09, it will be exceeded, it will have big chances to reach higher at let's see 1.39, and even to this recent level that was on 27 March, that it is 1.66. okay, and let's see what other indicators tells us on daily. We have stochastic RSI and RSI, and right now stochastic RSI on daily, it is bearish, it is in downtrend, and RSI, it is somehow neutral. It was in the overbought area at the beginning of this year when we had that massive pump. For now we have a lot of room to grow. If RSI will go upwards, I believe that we will see interesting movement from the price action. We will see about this. Okay, let's move out to weekly and see what's going on here. And on weekly we have stochastic RSI that it is in oversold area, it is bearish, and RSI right now it is in downtrend. The moving average from RSI it is in uptrend. It exceeded a few times RSI. Right now it is below the moving average, but the general trend as you can see from October, it is upward, despite the fact that recently it is somehow bearish. Okay, and let's put here the 20 weekly simple moving average. And I told you in my previous video that I personally consider this simple but powerful indicator an important one that tells us if the price movement it is bullish or bearish. And right now the price, despite the fact that we have a retracement, it is looking bullish. Actual price it is 0.89, and the 20 weekly simple moving average it is 0.83. It was tested last time in January, and at the beginning of February we have a bounce upwards, despite the fact that we have here a candle with the body between the superior and the inferior side of the 20 weekly SMA. But overall trend, I sincerely think that it is looking still bullish, as long as the price stays above the 20 simple moving average. Okay, and if we take a step back and see the whole picture, you can see that from the chart inception, the trend it is upwards, and it moves in this big triangle. The baseline, the support to say like this, it is in uptrend. The superior side it is a little in a downtrend. We have a lower low. We have here on 25 March 1.66, and here we have the all-time high 1.94. If Bitcoin will start to increase in price and the Bitcoin dominance will maybe decrease a little bit, I believe we have big chances to test the recent top that was 1.66. But first it will be tested this superior side of this triangle that right now it is around 1.63, and it is on descending. So when the time passes by, this will be a lower and lower level. If this will be exceeded, it will be tested 1.66, and if this level would be exceeded, I believe it has greater chances to test 1.94, the previous all-time high. That was this tip here. Okay, and that's my personal thoughts. What do you think about this? Do you have other suggestions? You can leave some comments into the comment section down below, and your suggestions are welcome. If the Bitcoin will fall, I believe that the next level to test as support, it will be somewhere around 1.56 or 1.57. This level, it will be a fall of minus 36%. Why this level? Because if we put here an horizontal line at about this level, you can see that here was tested on 6 February 2023, and the price went downwards. Here on December 2023 tested a few times, and we have a clear rejection from this level. And if this level will fall, I believe will go as low as this one, 0.40. And the worst case scenario, if Bitcoin will test other inferior levels, let's say below 50k, it will be tested this inferior side of the triangle that acts right now as a support, and right now it is at about 0.3. And this level increases over time, as you see here. Maybe we'll go below, we never know. We just wait and see what might happen. Okay, and that's the current situation on weekly. If we look on monthly and see a more simplified version of this chart, on which every candle represents the price action on 1 month, you can see this triangle becomes more and more visible. Right now, stochastic RSI on monthly, it is bearish, it is in a downtrend. It was in the overbought area since about 2 months ago. And RSI right now, it is clearly in uptrend since the last fall of 2023. You can see that the moving average, it is in uptrend. RSI, it is also in uptrend. It is in slight decrease over the last couple of months, but the general trend, it is clearly upwards. And we have this strange convergence between stochastic RSI and RSI, and maybe this is a good sign, because RSI, if continues to be in an uptrend and will go in the overbought area, stochastic RSI will turn as well. That is clearly and logically. and maybe the price will pump even higher. It all depends on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will test again the previous all-time high that was around 74k, or at least exceed 70k again, most altcoins will start pumping again. That is logically. If Bitcoin will go below 60k and test 57k and maybe 54.5k, that levels of support that I personally consider important, most altcoins will test as well inferior sides of their price action. So altcoins will test their supports as well. That it is clearly and logically. Okay, and before discussing a little bit more about Bitcoin, let's see how Ocean Protocol paired with Bitcoin chart looks like. And here on weekly we have this chart from KuCoin, and surprisingly Ocean behaved very well against Bitcoin. You can see that we have this massive increase since August 2029, and we have here a measurement from this lower level to this top, 5,584% in 378 days. Okay, that is very impressively. And after a correction that was overall minus 90%, we have a sideways movement, but right now the lowest level, it seems that it is higher than the previous one that put it here on May 2022. So overall we see that Ocean Protocol did very well against Bitcoin. We didn't measure these smallest pumps, but I believe that they are very important to see it as well. You can measure it yourself and tell me in the comment section down below about this increases. If we also put the 20 weekly simple moving average, you can see that tested as a support and as a resistance multiple times. If you look on my videos, you can see that on most altcoins this is a descending chart, and the price stood below the 20 weekly SMA most of the time and tested as a resistance. This is not the case. So we have a sideways movement since 9 May 2022. What do you think about this? Do you have other examples of coins that have such a performance? You can leave some comments down below and tell me about it. I'm very curious. Okay guys, and today 13 May 2024, Bitcoin, it is at about 62.9k. We have a slight increase over the last couple of days. Bitcoin dominance, it is also a slight increase. It is 53.8%, and right now fear and greed index, it is 52. I told you my levels of support and resistance a few minutes ago. I believe that they are very important to follow, because as you see, Bitcoin dictates all crypto space movements, including Ocean. I believe that Bitcoin can possibly test again the previous all-time high that was at 74k, but that's a possibility. We discuss here only possibilities. Nobody knows 100% what might happen. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thank you for staying with me till the end of this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this. Until next time, be well and see you soon. Take care.